Hey guys, just a quick note on this. I meant to do this a couple of days ago, but Tekno is releasing a 10 scale Truggy, the ET410. It's going to be, I guess this is going to be the retail MSRP of $429.99, but basically it is a 10 scale Truggy you guys see there. They've got specifications and stuff for it down here. I'll put something in the description, a quick link so you guys can check that out. But there aren't that many, if there aren't any, except for the Hyper T from Habayo for a 10 scale Truggy. So it looks like they're trying to actually enter into this competition. And this is actually what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad. I think it's actually longer than the Hyper T. This is kind of a better picture for it. I like how it's got this on the back of it. Helps cut down, helps get more downforce. Here on the binary reminds me of kind of some of the associated cars as well. But this is going to be a kit. It's not going to be ready to run. But it does look pretty good. The only thing that is keeping me from thinking about this truck is going to be this battery component. I think it uses a shorty pack. And that will keep me from getting it because that limits me to batteries I can utilize or use in this. But you see that there's plenty of room for hop up. You can get a metal or aluminum chassis braces here. You see this thing is pretty much well designed and laid out. So maybe this will make Habayo take a second look at the Hyper T and do an update to it, which would be good. But this does look to be really well. I'm just concerned about this battery tray, but it does look to be a little bit longer there. Of course, you're going to get aluminum chassis with this. Man, look how thick these A-arms are. So don't like you're going to really break those, but you could. So there's another look. I'm looking at that between those two. It might fit a standard LiPo in there. I don't know. That's going to be interesting. I didn't see too much stuff in the specifications for this as well. So let's see if we can find something real quick. Detailed description, drive shafts, looks to be pretty thick on there. Differentials, locking up with 2000K differential, blah, 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 4-pole motors. So they're doing 32 pitch gears on here where the Hyper T is going to be mod 1. So there's a difference there. Doesn't say how many teeth are on here. Drive line uses CVAs on it, which is good. Hyper T uses those on the front and dog bones on the rear. Reverse bell crank system available, that's good too. Which some of the things it should have is easy access diff, which the Hyper T, to get to this diff, you really got to take a lot of stuff apart. But it is a older design. Hyper T's been out for, shoot, probably 10 years. Over 10 years, I think, or right around 10 years. So CNC machine components, shocks, big bore shocks there, 13mm shock bodies, which is good. Chassis weight and distribution. I think that is a shorty pack that's in there. And that does steer me away from this because it does keep the crowd, as far as myself, from getting this, because now I got to buy special batteries for it. When I had my T5M, I didn't have it too long because I just didn't like those shorty packs and all that. I wanted to kind of run 3S on it to see how it performed and stuff. And I think that when companies do this, they do limit themselves just to racers only, which racers will buy if they start a class on this. But it's the bashers. I know people will argue me down, but it is the bashers and the people that generally run cars that kind of run the hobby and keep it going. The racers just kind of get us enthused about particular companies. But Traxxas doesn't race, Arma doesn't race, and they are the top 2 RC car companies out there. Then you got a battle with Associated and Losi battling for 3rd place, which, you know, like I said, I'm not downing them, but here it is, 53 tooth, 32 pitch spur gear there. So I'm not sure if I'll get this at all, especially for the price point of it, but I did want to show this to you guys. They do recommend particular motor sizes, 540. I'd get a 550 in there. 15 to 19 tooth, yep. 2S shoulder pack. There it is, shoulder. I won't be getting you, shouty. But I did want to introduce this to you guys, show this to you guys if you guys aren't familiar with Tekno. They do have other stuff out there as well. I was really hoping that this did not use a shorty pack, but it does. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That's the best way I can put it. So they don't look 32 pitch there to me. It looks like 48, but it is 32. Two-piece motor system. So sorry guys, I'm just kind of reading and looking through some of this stuff. So I'll try to put a link out in the description for it as well. But you guys can all, this is showing the EB410. But you guys can also do Google searches on this ET410 as well and find some more information, because it's blowing up in the forums as far as the racing forums go. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.